How to find Apple ID password. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device and look for the passwords option. You can also search for it in the search bar. Tap on passwords now and enter your Face ID or passcode here in order to see your saved passwords. Here you will see the option for apple.com. Tap on that and you will be able to see your username and your Apple ID further. Apple automatically clears out the password while screen recording. Nevertheless, this is how you can see your password, but only if you have saved it in passwords. If not, then there is no other way to see your password. However, you can go ahead and change your password to view the password. So tap on your name banner in settings and then tap on sign in and security. You will see the option for change password. Tap on that. Now firstly, enter your phone passcode and then enter your new password and then re-enter your new password. Make sure to meet the requirements while setting the password and now tap on change. With this, your password will be changed successfully. You can go ahead and save it further on your device to be able to view it later. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.